In one of my videos, I showed you people how to create a Payoneer account here in Ghana without bank details or bank account. So today I'm going to show you how to edit your bank account and then add a new bank account to it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. If you are new to this channel, please kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video like what you are watching, YouTube is going to send you a notification, and instantly you are going to be the first person to implement this same method and then get same results. As simple as that. So on your Payoneer dashboard, all you need to do is to click on banks and then cars. That is where you need to click to edit your bank details and then add a new bank account. So we have bank account for withdrawal, receiving account, Payoneer cards, recipient banks. So you can go through it by clicking on this, and then it will tell you what to do and what not to do. So all we need to do is to go by bank for withdrawal. So right after your money dropped into your account, you can come here and then insert your bank details, and right after that you can withdraw your money. So this is my account. I have one bank account which is Fidelity Bank linked to it, so I can add another one up to 14 accounts, 14 different bank accounts. Yes, so I'll click on that, and then just for tutorial sake I'll show you how to edit and then add new bank account. So they will ask you whether the bank details is yours or is for business. So what you need to do, if it's your personal bank account, you can select personal. If it's business bank account, you can select business. So because it's personal, I'm going to select personal. I'm going to leave it untouched. And then secondly, what bank account currency. So you need to select, I am, because I'm in Ghana, I will choose Ghana cedis. And if you are in Nigeria, it will choose it will pop up, or it will show you Naira, and then any country your money will be shown over here. So I'll click on next, and then it will take me to account details, and then where I will enter my account details and then confirm the account details, and then for them to add my bank account. So I have a different bank account here. It's not official bank account, but I just created it for some for urgent reason. So I'll add this bank account and then let you know how everything works. So the name of the bank is Backsword. It's just local bank account, so I'll just add it here. So this is it, and then the sort code, you can get it from your local bank account. So let me check whether I can find it on Google here. Backsword sort code. I have, for tutorial sake, let's just add any bank sort code, and then for easy, or for you to know how everything is being done. So I'll add it here, just any bank, because I will remove it right after everything. I will remove it. So I'll click on next, and it's going to take me straight to my date of birth. Yes, so I will insert my date of birth, month, the day, month, and then year, and then hit on add bank account, and then right after that my account will be linked into it. So if you want to link any bank account to your Payoneer account, you just need a bank that can receive money from outside your country. Yes, international bank, not just any bank account, because if you use that, your money will be lost. Yes, so you just need a bank that can withdraw, or you can receive money from it through international. Yes, and then if you want somebody to send you money to your account, you have to click on receiving account. Yes, and then here is the place where you can get the details of your bank. You will get a bank account of American bank account, and then British bank account. Yes, there was another one over here, but I don't know the reason why it has been removed. So pounds bank account and then dollar bank account. So you can click on view details, and then your account details will be shown, and you can receive money through your Payoneer account. Or if you're doing any affiliate marketing or any marketing online, you can use this account details to receive your money. And right after here, you can link your local bank account and then withdraw the money from Payoneer. So this, guys, this is how we can make money, or we can withdraw money from Payoneer. Yes, or you can this is how you can add your bank account, local bank account, to Payoneer. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and then comment down below if you have any question, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video like this, YouTube will send you a notification instantly. And until I see you in my next video, as already always says, don't forget that I do love you guys, and then bye bye for now.